Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Nurani and today I will be presenting the overview of Johnson & Johnson focusing on its market position, financial performance and strategic direction. In slide 1, let's talk about the introduction and let me give you the overview. Johnson & Johnson is a globally recognized healthcare company with a strong presence in both pharmaceuticals and medical technology. The company operates through two major segments, innovative medicine and medtech, allowing it to deliver comprehensive healthcare solutions. In 2025, the company reported revenues of $94.2 billion and continues to show steady growth and financial resilience. In this presentation, we review Johnson & Johnson across market, industry, financial, and operational dimensions to show a unified strategic direction. Johnson & Johnson focus is on advancing high-value therapeutic areas such as oncology and neuroscience, while also expanding medtech capabilities. Additionally, the company aims to integrate artificial intelligence into research and development processes and maintain disciplined capital allocation. Overall, the strategy is designed to ensure sustainable growth and long-term value creation in a highly competitive and regulated healthcare environment. In slide 2, we talk about the market and industry analysis. Johnson & Johnson operates in a highly competitive and rapidly evolving healthcare market. Its focus on the key therapeutic areas such as oncology, immunology, and neuroscience strengthens its positions as an innovative-driven organization. The company adopts a dual pricing strategy using premium pricing for patented drugs in developed markets while applying value-based approaches in emerging regions. Customer segmentation is highly advanced and leverages data analytics to target healthcare professionals and patients more effectively. However, the company faces strong competition from major pharmaceutical firms with specialized capabilities. Industry trends such as the growing use of artificial intelligence in drug discovery are reshaping competitive dynamics. Additionally, biosimilar competition is intensifying as patents expire, while regulatory pressures such as drug price negotiations continue to impact the profitability. These factors significantly influence Johnson & Johnson's strategic priorities. In slide 3, we talk about the financial analysis. Johnson & Johnson demonstrates strong financial performance supported by consistent revenue and growth through and robust cash flows. The innovative medicine segment contributes the majority of revenue with products like Darzalex driving significant growth. However, the company has experienced revenue decline in certain products such as Stelara due to biosimilar competition, highlighting the importance of pipeline diversification. The company maintains a strong financial position with high operating cash flows and an interest coverage ratio well above industry averages, indicating excellent debt servicing capability. Its balance sheet reflects increased total assets largely due to strategic acquisitions, which have strengthened long-term growth potential. Although liquidity ratios are slightly lower compared to industry norms, they remain manageable due to strong cash generation. Overall, the financial analysis supports continued investments in innovation and strategic expansion. In slide 4, let's talk about the strategic recommendations. The strategic recommendations for Johnson & Johnson are designed to leverage its strengths while addressing key challenges. First, the company should pursue targeted acquisitions in areas such as neuroscience and cardiovascular technologies to strengthen its portfolio. Second, integrating artificial intelligence across research and development processes can significantly improve efficiency and reduce development timelines. Third, expanding value-based care models within the medtech segment will help align product offerings with clinical outcomes and hospital needs. Additionally, diversifying the pipeline beyond reliance on major biologics is critical to mitigating risks associated with patent expirations and biosimilar competitions. Strengthening engagement with regulatory bodies will also help manage pricing pressures effectively. These recommendations build on the company's strong resource base, including its research capabilities, global distribution network, and brand reputation. In slide 5, we talk about the implementation plan and the KPIs. The implementation plan for Johnson & Johnson's strategy is structured in 2 phases to ensure effective execution. In the initial phase, the company will focus on completing targeted acquisitions and integrating artificial intelligence into research and development processes. The second phase will emphasize scaling operations and expanding into global markets. Maintaining research and development spending at approximately 15 to 16% of revenue will be essential to sustaining the innovation. Significant capital investments will also be required to enhance manufacturing capabilities and support medtech advancements. Key performance indicators will be used to monitor progress, including revenue growth, pipeline development, and market share. Additionally, operational metrics such as research cycle time, clinical trial success rates, and production adoption levels will provide insights into execution effectiveness. This structured approach ensures alignment between strategic goals and operational performance. In slide 6, we talk about concluding and the next steps. In conclusion, Johnson & Johnson is well-positioned for long-term growth through a strategy centered on innovation, diversification, and disciplined execution. The recommendations presented address key risks, including biosimilar competition and regulatory pressures, while leveraging opportunities in artificial intelligence and medtech. The next steps involve executing an implementation plan, monitoring performance through defined KPIs, and adapting to changes in the external environment. With a proactive and dynamic approach, Johnson & Johnson can maintain its leadership in the global healthcare and continue delivering sustained value to the stakeholders. Thank you.